Hi everyone, this is Geetika Chawla from USPC Jain Public School, and today we are going to start the other sums of exercise 1.4. So here the question number 5 is the temperature at noon was 10 degrees Celsius above 0. If it decreases at the rate of 2 degrees Celsius per hour until the midnight, means it's going to check the temperature. What is saying here, the temperature at noon, means during daytime at 12 noon, it was 10 degrees Celsius above 0 here, and if it decreases at a rate of 2 degrees Celsius per hour until the midnight, means it is decreasing during each and every hour until midnight with the rate of 2 degrees Celsius. At what time would the temperature be 8 degrees Celsius below 0? Then we'll find out the time. Then when it will be 8 degrees Celsius below 0, it means when it will be minus 8 degrees Celsius. And what would be the temperature at midnight? And we'll also find out what will be the temperature at midnight. So let's start it now here. See here, the temperature at 12 noon is 10 degrees Celsius it is given, and we know that after each and every hour it is decreasing by the rate 2 degrees Celsius per hour. So here the temperature at 1 p.m. it is 10 minus 2, that is 8 degrees Celsius. Then at 2 o'clock 2 p.m. it will be 8 minus 2, that is 6 degrees Celsius. Then at 3 p.m. it will be 6 minus 2, 4 degrees Celsius. Then at 4 o'clock 4 p.m. it will be 4 minus 2, that is 2 degrees Celsius. That at 5 p.m. it is 2 minus 2, that is 0 degrees Celsius. Then at 6 p.m. it is 0 minus 2, because we are going to check it is decreasing, so it is minus 2 degrees Celsius here. Then at 7 p.m. it is minus 2 minus 2. That means again these two integers are same sign and they are negative, we will add them, it is minus 4 degrees Celsius. Then at 8 p.m. it is minus 4 minus 2, that is minus 6 degrees Celsius. And at 9 p.m. it is minus 2 going to subtract from minus 6, that is minus 8 degrees Celsius, which we want that the temperature minus 8 degrees Celsius will be at 9 p.m. It is the answer of the first one part. And then what is asking here, what would be the temperature at midnight? It means here now we'll move further, that at 10 p.m. it is minus 8 minus 2, that is minus 10 degrees Celsius. And after 10 at 1 p.m. it is minus 10 minus 2, that is minus 12 degrees Celsius. And at midnight 12 a.m. it is minus 12 minus 2 means minus 14 degrees Celsius, means at midnight it will be minus 14 degrees Celsius. Here next question number 6 is, in a class test plus 3 marks are given for every correct answer. Means there one test is conducted in class, then they are giving 3 marks for every correct answer and minus 2 marks are given for every incorrect answer, and getting minus 2 marks for every incorrect answer and no marks for not attempting any question. And if you will not attempt any question, you will not get any marks, you will not get any marks for that. So here Radhika scored 20 marks. Radhika in total she scored 20 marks. If she has scored 12 correct answers, then how many questions has she attempted incorrectly? Means in actual Radhika scored 20 marks in total and she has given 12 correct answers for that. And now we have to check that how many questions she correct which were incorrect. So here the marks given for one correct answer, that is 3, it is given already, and she has given 12 correct answers. So marks given for 12 correct answers, that is 3 multiplied 12, that is 36 marks, because she is getting 3 marks for one correct answer. And when she will give 12 correct answer, it will be 3 multiplied 12, that is 36 marks. But Radhika scored 20 marks in total. So therefore the marks obtained for incorrect answer, that is total marks 20, minus which one, which questions she attempted correctly, that is 36, that is of 36 marks. So 20 minus 36, that is minus 16 here, because 36 is greater than 20 and it is negative, so minus 16 marks. Then marks given for one incorrect answer, that is minus 2, it is given to you that if you will give incorrect answer you will get minus 2 here. Then therefore the number of incorrect answers is minus 16 divided by minus 2. So it is here negative negative will be cancelled, 16 divided by 2, that is 8 here. Therefore thus Radhika has attempted incorrect questions, that is 8. It means here she attempted 8 incorrect questions there in that test. Here the next question number 7 is, an elevator descends into a mine shaft at the rate of 6 meter per minute. There is one elevator, it is going to down at a rate of 6 meter per minute. If the descent starts from 10 meter above the ground level, and that once elevator start moving towards the ground, and which one is already above the ground, that is 10 meter, then how long will it take to reach minus 350 meter? Mean to say, will check, it is going to go down here towards the ground, then under the ground. So we'll find out that how much time it will take to reach up to the distance of minus 350 meter. So here the initial position, the starting position of the mine shaft above the ground is 10 meter here, and it travels the distance below the ground, that is minus 350 meter here. So the total distance covered by the mine shaft is 10 meter minus of minus 350 meter, because it moves in its opposite direction. So it is negative here. 10 meter minus of minus 350 meter equals to 10 plus 350, that is 360 meter. Mean it is going to cover 360 meter distance here. So now the time taken to cover a distance of 6 meter, it is 1 minute. Mean in 1 minute it is going to cover 6 meter distance. So we'll check here. So it will cover 1 meter distance in 1/6 part of the minute. Mean it will take 1/6, 1 by 6 minutes. 6 minutes is 6th part here. So therefore the time taken to cover a distance of 360 meter, because it is going to cover 360 meter distance. So it will take how much time? See here, we will multiply 360 by 1 by 6. It means it will take 60 minutes here. Thus it means here it will take complete 1 hour to cover distance of 360 minutes to go below the ground, under the grounds up to the distance of minus 350. It will take 1 complete hour. So thus in 60 minutes, that is in 1 hour, the mine shaft reaches minus 350 meter below the ground.